From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome. The Justice for SSR campaign has been carried on your shoulders, which means that the only way to deny justice to Sushant is to block the news coverage, gag the news coverage. And that is what is happening. So there are systematic attempts being done, directly, indirectly, obviously and not so obviously, to use every possible lever to block our coverage. And I had to tell you this. I'm saying this to you openly tonight, viewers. People want to stop Republic's coverage. People want to stop Republic's coverage. People want to stop us from reaching out to you. And since I have only your support to rely on, I am requesting you personally that starting tonight, my dear viewers, my support base, people who believe in what we've done, please start a counter campaign so we can focus on our job, and your support can give us the wind beneath our wings to fly on. Can't gags SSR coverage is my hashtag, our hashtag. We have staked everything. My dear viewers, people who have followed me, supported me and my team and us, I want to say something to you. We have staked our all and we are not going to step back. Your network is in the middle of one of the biggest ever battles in this country against the most powerful and corrupt, malicious group of people. Killers, murderers, drug lords, druggy politicians, police which protects and fights for the accused, not for the victims, and of course, viewers, entrenched lobbies in Bollywood who know every day they switch on this channel that their days are numbered because they circulate, peddle and consume drugs. Viewers, this is a battle between what is moral and immoral, right and wrong, justice and injustice. And viewers, we need your support because we are fighting them together. And we believe that we together are stronger than all of them. But then equally, I must say this, that as I put more reporters on the job, as I put more resources to investigate this and many other crimes, the time has also come for you and me to declare our common intent and to reclaim our space. My dear viewers, the Maharashtra government thinks it can stop us at Republic. They're dreaming because we will fight them. We will fight them and we will defeat them once again. But you must not let your guard down or reduce the pitch of your demand. Justice will be served. This is a mass movement. As we continue our investigation and put out more leads, we need to come together as strongly as we did 3 or 4 weeks back to push back those who tried to do everything possible to cover up, ladies and gentlemen. We investigate. The ball is in your court right now. Start a counter movement. Do not allow people to gag Republic or gag the media that is fighting for justice in this case. Viewers, they will try everything in the next few days. I'm not being specific, but you will watch, you will see. There are people who are celebrating, thinking that this will be gagged in some way. To all of them, I'm staring you back in the eye. we will not be gagged. We are not going to be gagged. Viewers, I need your support. That's debate number 1 tonight. I'm putting evidence before you. I need you in the debate. India wants the SSR coverage. This is not just about one case. This is about a larger pattern of injustice. You believe in us, please come together. Sign the petition on republicworld.com. We will give it to the authorities so that everybody knows you cannot in this country kill the spirit of an independent media. And ladies and gentlemen, on debate number 2 this evening, a demand for a CBI investigation into Palghar. The greatest injustice, that after the killing of the sadhus, the Uddhav Thackeray government did nothing. That's debate number 2. And debate number 3 this evening, viewers, it's a packed show. Justice for PMC victims. A fight which will eventually lead to the middle class of this country being assured that their money will not be snatched away from them. All this and more is coming up, and here are the headlines. This Thursday evening of the debate tonight. CBI investigates the Disha link to the Sushant case. Bollywood is absolutely shocked as Bunty Sachdev is called in for questioning. And more evidence comes out. March 2020 chats prove Rhea and Shovik are at the center of a massive Bollywood drug cartel. Motivated lobby tries to gag SSR media coverage as agencies inch closer to the murder truth. Mother of Sadhu fights for justice, demands investigation by the central agency in the Palghar lynching case. 24-year-old PMC depositor driven to suicide after prolonged struggle for his own hard-earned money. And Republic Bharat creates history with a 20% viewership. Republic TV and Republic Bharat are now the undisputed #1 news network of India. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, for over 2 months, the Republic Media Network has been relentless in its investigation that has put out undeniable leads, key testimonies, and exposed the cover-up. Tonight, the CBI is reopening the Disha link to the Sushant case. The drug angle has become the focus. The Disha connection is being looked at. This is a very critical stage because we are at the edge of a breakthrough. At this point, and to everyone who is trying to do it directly or indirectly, I throw to you back an open challenge. You cannot gag us, whoever you are. We will not be gagged. The people will not be denied access to the truth. Now let's debate.
No scope for a platform. Questions that cannot be ignored.
सुशांत को क्यों नहीं सिक्योरिटी? सुशांत को क्यों नहीं सिक्योरिटी? आप बताइए, आप क्या हर आरोपी को सिक्योरिटी दे रहे हैं?
Persistence that has forced confessions.
मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा डिलीट हुआ?
आपका हाथ
8 हार्ड ड्राइव का डेटा। क्या 13 तारीख को लोग आए थे?
जो भी हमारे घर पे आए थे ना, मैंने उनके बता दिया।
Investigative reports that have exposed the attempt at cover-up. And testimonies that have changed the course of investigation.
Getting justice for Disha was he did he speak about?
He was about to. In the morning that when I informed, he was about to. This guy Sandeep, I have no idea who he is. Mentioned Sandeep like 1,000 times that I have already spoken to Sandeep. I feel like I'm planning after the last strikes and everything. I'll bring everything I know in front of media. I'll have a press conference.
Relentless reporting in the Sushant Singh case has forced the reopening of the Disha case. Bunty Sachdev, Disha's boss from Cornerstone, was quizzed for over 3 hours by CBI. The agencies have solid proof to show that Rhea is at the center of the drug racket.
A chat between Rhea Chakrabarti and her brother Shovik Chakrabarti. And what are they really talking about? the content of these text messages that were exchanged between the brother and sister. They are talking about marijuana that was supposed to be procured, and in what quantity was it to be procured and for whom.
The evidence is piling up, and at this stage, the SSR coverage cannot be gagged because Sushant's family needs justice. Because the drug cartel is being exposed. Because big names are now emerging. Because the Disha link is finally being probed. Because we cannot allow Team Rhea to slander SSR. Because India's biggest campaign cannot be stopped. And the truth cannot be hidden anymore. Let's debate.
Make it trend number one, viewers. Make this hashtag trend number one in the country, and so loud that those people who are working behind the scenes and who think they can misuse institutions to gag us realize that they should not dare. Make it trend, ladies and gentlemen. Let your voice be so loud that the message goes, because I need your support. And now I want to start by saying, who can gag me? People who are so sure of themselves that they believe that they can go to the people of India and say we can crush Indian democracy if required to protect the corrupt, will try to gag me, Rizwan Merchant. That's my view. We have been at the eye of a storm. I have been at the eye of many storms, and the media has been at the eye of many storms. And you know why, Rizwan Merchant? Because, as KK Mannan will tell you, because we look injustice in the eye. And we have with us the might of 130 crore people of India. And then people who want to say, oh, but there are reasonable restraints. Reasonable restraints, of course, there will be reasonable restraints. But if the media is gagged today, let me say this, then there would have been no media covering the Unnao rape case as well, where the victim attempted self-immolation if the police did not register an FIR against the ex-BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar. So, to all the respected police commissioners who have problems with me, we are not and will never be a police state. The right to question the police and to expose them completely for their ineptitude. The Kuldeep Sengar case. The police did not register an FIR against ex-BJP MLA Kuldeep Sengar. Would Kuldeep Sengar and 5 others be behind the bars today, KK Mannan, had it not been for the campaign that we did, which they at that time called a media trial? Well, in this case too, the Mumbai police did not register an FIR. So why do you think that 9 police commissioners can complain about me, Anil Deshmukh? You ask the 9 police commissioners, or 90 of them, why did you not file an FIR, and what was the mistake which the Republic Media Network did? If it questioned you, looking you in the eye. KK Mannan and Rizwan, let's start the debate.
Arnab, can I come in? Arnab, can I come in? Yes, Arnab, first of all,
now,
let me
may
tell
I
you one
come?
thing. Whatever limited information that we have got from the orders of the Bombay High Court, sir, I'm just taking over for a moment. Whatever information that we have got and we've gathered from the orders of the High Court passed by the bench of the Lordship Justice Sayyad, there is no gag order on any press. The only directions, and those directions are to the press to consider maintaining a restraint in reporting about the facts of the case on Sushant's case, so that the developments which are likely to be taking in the course of investigation should not be something which should be exposed and thereupon affect the investigation being conducted in this particular case. Please take it that there is no gag order. Even the norms of journalistic conduct, which is framed by the PCI, permits you to do investigative journalism. There is no difficulty. But let me be very candid with you. The information which you are taking on your media platform with regard to the witnesses' deposition, with regard to the accused deposition, These are certain things which generally are kept under wraps, so that when an accused
I am
or
reporting.
witness goes to the investigating
KK
officer,
Mannan, I am
and
reporting.
when he is interrogated and
I am
questioned,
reporting.
when he's interrogated,
I am reporting minute to minute.
please
You
let
cannot
me
take
talk.
away my
Stop
right to
shouting
report
and
even
let
if
me
the facts
talk.
are
Let me
uncomfortable
finish.
to you and if you
Don't
feel that
repeat.
it follows
Don't repeat.
a narrative
First
that
of all,
does
you're
not
asking me a question,
subscribe
let
to
me
your
come back.
views.
If
I'm
you're
sorry, I'm
asking me a
reporting.
question, let me come
I'm
back. Please
reporting.
don't stop me
I
in
have
the
the
middle.
right to
Please
report.
don't stop me
I
in the
have the
middle.
right to
Don't
report.
shout.
You do not have the
Don't
right to block
shout.
me.
You
You
are
have no
reporting
right
first.
to block
Listen
me.
and then
You
report.
have no right
First
to
listen
block
and
me.
then
Nobody
report. I
can.
have not finished.
I'm not
I
even
have not
making a
finished.
reference
This is
to
an
any
old habit
court
of yours.
observations.
No,
I
this
don't
is an
know
old habit
which
of yours to
court
correct your
and
old
which
habits.
observation.
You
I
don't
don't
want
know.
people to talk.
I don't know
You
any
stop
court
people
or
from
any
talking.
observation, but I'm saying today.
You don't understand.
I am
You don't
reporting, I
understand the
understand
meaning
very
of
well.
order.
The
You
Press
don't want to
Council of
read the
India is a
order. You don't
private
want to
body. It does not
understand the
apply
order.
to me now. Let
You
me tell
give
you
a
one more
different
thing.
connotation and
Let me
different
tell you one more
explanation
thing.
to the order.
Let me
First
tell you
listen
one
to
more
me.
thing. If the
First
media is
listen.
gagged
First
today,
listen, Arnab.
if the media
First
is
listen.
gagged today, then tell me one more thing. Just 1 minute. please.
Nobody's
Just 1
gagging
minute,
the
sir.
media.
Just 1 minute,
Nobody's
sir.
gagging
This
the
is a
media.
new
Don't put
media.
words in the
This
court.
media will not be
Don't
gagged.
put the words
This
in the
media
court.
will
It
not
was
be
not
stopped.
being gagged.
This media
You
will not
only
be
asked to
stifled.
maintain a
This media
particular
will not be told the
restraint.
rules by a private body.
So that
This
the
media will not be laid down the rules by people who want a police state. This media will fight back. This media has the will of the people behind it. You cannot gag the SSR coverage. I don't know which court verdict you're talking about. I don't know any court verdict or observations. I'm saying that my information is through my sources, that there will be interested parties who will try and block us in many ways. I'm forewarning them that they will
Why
lose.
don't you learn to keep quiet and listen to people when you call them on the debate?
I'm saying they will lose,
Learn to
Rizwan.
keep quiet and listen to people on the debate. Why do you talk so much? We will see who loses and who gains. Have the trust in the faith in the court.
I have trust in the people of this country.
I've got faith in the judiciary. I've got faith in
I
the
have an
justice.
absolute,
I have the faith.
unshakable,
No, you should.
unimpeachable
You should
trust
have faith.
in the will of the people.
This is
And I
just
believe
the
that the people of this country
beginning.
believe
Today was
that
the
my
first
question to the
hearing.
Mumbai police
Arnab,
was
today
spot
was
on.
the first hearing of the
Mike, I am
Without
not
hearing
talking
the
about any
CBI,
court verdict. Which court
without
verdict are you
hearing the
referring to? I don't
response,
even know. Was there a
the
court
court is
verdict?
not
I don't
going to
know.
pass an
But I'm saying
order.
this.
The court is only
I don't know any court
extending the
verdict.
restraint.
I don't know any observations. I'm saying this in a sui generis way. Please try and understand me. Because then we will have a larger debate. If it goes to the court, I will go to the highest court of this country, and the courts of this country will back us up. We will fight in the courts of this country. This country's constitution, its democracy, is something which I have absolutely every right to since the day I was born a citizen of this country. My question is, KK Mannan, what's going on? If the media is going to start getting pressurized like this, then we would have not reported the Dera followers who caused violence during the Ram Rahim rape case and the trial. I remember my reporters. Would the Ram Rahim case, would Ram Rahim be sentenced to 20 years in jail for the rape of 2 girls at his ashram? By this logic, if now police officers wherever start complaining, oh, we don't like what the media is doing, then I want to know. You gagged the media, would you have gagged Ram Rahim? Now, I mean, do we want to turn our democracy on its head? Mr. Mannan, what's going on?
Now, may I request you now, Mr. Rizwan, kindly hear me patiently. We all panelists have heard you. First of all, I will congratulate you,
Sir, I am not
Mr.
finished.
Arnab Goswami.
Unfortunately,
You don't
Arnab
afraid.
does not allow
You are
any
not
panelist
the
to
person
finish.
who can be
He never
afraid
stops.
from
He never
anybody.
stops. He never
But we
stops.
and you
He has not
all
learned to
are
stop.
have every respect for
You
the
should first learn
judiciary.
to stop. When people speak, you should hear.
I listen, Mr. Rizwan.
No, I'm sorry,
Mr.
you don't.
Rizwan, it is your perception. Please,
You
now,
can listen.
and
You
you
can
interrupted
listen only if you stop
me.
talking.
Have I complained to you?
Manan sir, please come in.
Now, may I
Sir,
speak?
please come in, sir. It's a pleasure to hear you. Please come in. I'm hearing you, sir.
Please.
Yes, sir. Most
Now,
certainly,
kindly
please.
see. Now, kindly see. This is not the first case which is being covered by the media. You remember Ram Rahim case? You have seen in Panchkula how many press, the people have been beaten, how many their bands have been set on fire, but press did not budge to report the whatever they wanted to report. No court has interfered. Even I know, and I remember that at that time acting Chief Justice S.S. Sarung has given the freedom and to the not only media, to everybody. Please rescue the people there. The way things were happening. Thereafter, you remember the case of Nirbhaya case? People were on the roads. If the media would have not come at the rescue, that case would have been put under the carpet today. Those accused would have not hanged today. I am reminding you, that it is the Constitution who has given the free speech and expression. It is the Constitution of the India.
Absolutely.
Media is the fourth pillar of the democracy.
Absolutely.
Please now,
There is no
for
doubt in
God's
that.
sake,
Nobody
for
doubts that
God's sake,
fundamental right
the
of yours.
people
Nobody is dropping that doubt.
who are just making a noise at the rooftop today, where were they for the last 65 days when the investigation with the Bombay police? Where were they at that time? Why they have not registered their grievances at that time? Why they have not registered the case even today? Why they are not requesting the CBI or the Bombay High Court? Please investigate the case of poor Disha. You have seen the body language of her mother. She was speaking only those words, whatever tutored, whatever the... I mean, she was told to speak before the media. We are not the people who are fools of this country. Everybody knows what's happening. Few channels even are reporting and defaming the family of Sushant Singh, who is no more. This is not the Hindu culture. This is not the culture of this country. The person who is already died,
well said.
Nobody can speak ill about him. What Ria has said about him, about his family, can Rizwanji, reply? We should. Our head shaken at that time when she was speaking like this. And the person, the journalist,
Sir,
I had every regard for him. But
yes,
I stopped seeing that channel after that day. He was not the journalist. In fact, owner of the channel, who has all arranged such type of interview. Another channel is defaming, and who has given the statements of the... Please now, please don't interrupt. Be a good listener also as well.
Sir, I am a very good listener.
Who has told you that only Republic is just only giving? Please.
I want to tell you one more thing, gentlemen, and I'd like to bring in everyone, including Rahul Narvekar and Priyanka Tibrewal, M.R. Venkatesh, Swapnil Kothari. Let's get everybody on the debate, along with Avishkar Singhvi and Shilpi Jain and Samir Singh and Rizwan Merchant. You see, the point is this, and what you need to understand, Rizwan and DK Rai also, is that you are making it too obvious. Because now Ria Shovik drug chat is out, so you're panicking. Yes. Why now?
Yes.
It is not, you understand one thing. Why should today the possible Disha Salian death link is being looked at, and I want to share some breaking news with you, if I may please. Every day I bring out a bit of breaking news. Yesterday I said that you can call Dr. Harish Shetty, well-known psychiatrist of Mumbai, who has told the Mumbai police that in 2013 when Sushant came, it was only for mild anxiety and Modifil was never recommended. So Ria was lying. Now I want to share with you another bit of breaking news, Rahul Narvekar. You will be shocked. There were 2 still pictures taken. Pradeep, there were 2 still pictures taken of Sushant's body which were in the possession of his sister Meetu. The pictures were shared by the family, I think, with one of the very prominent members of the forensic team which is looking at this matter, and the person looking at the pictures immediately said, on seeing the pictures, Swapnil, oh my God, this is 200% homicide. Said, oh my God, this is 200% homicide when those pictures were being looked at. So DK Rai, wipe the smirk off your face. You want to block our campaign. Viewers, it's trending #1 right now. You want to block Republic, you are blocking the people of this country. I think Swapnil message is going on Rahul Narvekar. You want to stop Republic, why? Because we're reaching a critical point.
Arnav, wherever there is a dispute.
Yes. Okay, let's go back. DK and MR are on, and then Swapnil coming to you. Yes, DK, what do you say?
Okay. Arnav, wherever there is a dispute or conflict between Article 14 and 19, freedom of speech and fair play and fair trial and equal opportunity.
Sir, let us not take a class on Article 14 and 19.
Please hold on.
Sir, I can also
please hold your horses, listen to me, then you will have your own opportunity. Please. Once there is a conflict between Article 14 and 19, and No. Technically, it is about gagging the media. It is about the evidence. Today, today the media is playing one WhatsApp chat. From where they have got that WhatsApp chat? The CBI and media.
I have the WhatsApp chat.
I will get it from wherever. Sir, I will get it, and if I am forging it, you have a right under the law to sue me for defamation.
Whenever we use this word, fair investigation, we mean fair investigation for both the parties. We never mean fair investigation.
Sir, let me tell you, wherever the media is getting it from, it is getting an authentic source, and that is where it is. You should leave it at that. You cannot question the media source. Sir, you are saying that media should reveal its source, or what are you trying to say, sir?
Who has
been what are you trying to say?
No, 1 minute. Rahul Narvekar is also on. Let's get everyone on. No, 1 minute. I have breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. The CBI has just issued a statement. This is very important. Please hear me. DK. A very important statement just came in from the CBI. I want to hear it. Rahul Narvekar is on. Swapnil Kothari, Rahul Narvekar. I'd also like to get in Shilpi Jain and Avishkar Singhvi. Please understand this. The CBI says we are conducting an investigation related to the death of Sushant Singh Rajput in a systematic and professional way. And now the operational part, Shilpi. See, you know that one channel, which is part of the Justice for Riya movement, which has done everything possible for Riya Chakrabarti, everything humanly possible they have done for Riya. Now that channel went and said that the CBI has found that this is nothing, there is no possibility of murder. They have said that the CBI has given an absolute, as said that clearly that Sushant killed himself. There was no instigation, no abetment, no murder. The CBI has issued a statement, Shilpi, saying these media reports attributed to CBI investigation are completely speculative and not based on facts. It is reiterated as a matter of policy. The CBI does not share details of ongoing investigation. The CBI spokesperson or any team member has not shared any details of investigation with the media. And I think today, Swapnil, the people of the country should start asking this network, why are you doing this as part of your Justice for Riya movement? Why did you say CBI spoke to you? Why did you say the CBI spoke to you and said that there was no hanky-panky in this matter? And the CBI goes on to say... No, Shilpi, Shilpi, why don't you question this network? Why don't you? This is part of the Riya PR machinery.
This network definitely for the simple reason because you cannot parlay lies around and try to have some sort of a parallel say on behalf of a person who's who according to them has been vilified or has been victimized by Republic TV so strongly. It is not that. The Republic TV has come out only with certain facts which point out in the right direction.
Okay,
but for the Republic TV's interventions at appropriate places since the past 60 days, we would not have seen CBI investigating this matter. And the Supreme Court's order which came directing the CBI.
No, look at the leaks.
Things which Arnab I want to point out as far as the petition that has been filed.
If I'm told, I would say so much, Swapnil, that if anybody believes that you can have a free media in this country which can always be told to watch its step. Now, that's like telling Usain Bolt, keep looking back when you're running a 100-meter race. Right?
Yes, absolutely.
No, one second. 1 minute, just a minute.
Ask this gentleman to keep quiet.
Yeah, but Shilpi, 1 minute. His name is Swapnil Kothari, senior advocate of the Mumbai bar. Let me make one point to you, please, Shilpi. Listen. The fact of the matter is today Bunty Sachdev, a senior executive of a talent management company called Cornerstone, who deployed Disha to manage Sushant, was questioned, and he's deeply connected to the who's who of Bollywood. So what's happening right now, Shilpi, why don't you understand? Who's who of Bollywood is shaking in its boots. They want to stop us, Shilpi. Isn't it obvious to you?
Arnab, may I come in?
Yes.
Arnab, in fact, I've been telling you are very convincing for most people. Many people who changed their opinion during your debates. Be that as it may, as far as I'm concerned, I don't think we are debating today that the media is not allowed to cover. It has always been, and that is a fundamental right. But what we are debating is if media coverage ensures free trial or not. Because free trial is also a fundamental right, just as free speech is. If it prejudges the issue, or if you have a pre-trial that is not allowed in law, please allow me to complete, Mr. Swapnil. Allow me to complete. Just one more minute and I will...
I'm not speaking anything. I'm just shaking my head. That's all.
Okay, please. You can come in any time. I know from your gestures.
No, you finish, please. You finish, then I'll come.
Okay, thank you. So all we are debating, and we should debate as people who are educated, are we prejudging the issue, or is media coverage converting into media trial? Now that is leading to serious consequences, because it creates a person's preconceptions about the case, which is neither admissible. Now, Arnab, please appreciate that as far as investigation is concerned, even the Supreme Court, there are judgments that you cannot direct an angle. Even the courts cannot direct that the investigation must be done by a particular angle. So
by that logic, will the police arrest Sanjay Raut? No, Shilpi, I have a counter. Shilpi, I have a counter. Shilpi, I have a counter. 1 minute, just a minute. Priyanka, by that logic, Mumbai police should tomorrow morning arrest Sanjay Raut, if possible tonight, because he's the one who has been prejudging Sushant's family all through. What are you talking about?
Yes, absolutely. Now I fail to understand, Arnab, I really fail to understand that what kind of petition they are taking to the court of saying and blaming that media has been unfair and malicious. Now just this is what people of India wanted to know, that what is it that the Mumbai police was doing? They failed to diligently do their duty. They were lanky and lackadaisical in approach. They were delaying the investigation. They were stalling the investigation. And that is what people watched and people were seeing. Media was just doing its role. Media was doing what it had to do. It was the police who had failed to perform their duty. And today they question the media. You didn't do what you were supposed to do, and you questioned the media. I mean, how can you? If you were so serious in your duty, why were there so many objections that you were saying? Just a minute, what people wanted to know. And when people are getting to know this through the media, you are scared. Now, who is scared? It is not the people of India. It is those people who have personal interest in the matter.
Absolutely, Arnab.
No. I think it is the job of the media to be the voice of the. It is the job of the media to be the voice for justice.
According to me. Now I'll tell you what has happened. There is that you'll be surprised to know that it is the earlier police officers who have done that. They have fully.
Well, there's a conflict of interest there. They are affected parties. I don't know about what position this is. But if former police officers have gone there, when were these police officers speaking when the Mumbai police was covering up the case?
Exactly.
That's all I want to know.
Exactly. And Arnab, I just want to come to that point, Arnab, I just want to come to that point. I'm just pointing out that funnily they themselves have said that they have no locus standi in this case. That's one. Two, they can surely come in. I don't have a problem with them, but it's actually if the people who have locus standi, they are nowhere there.
No, the point is even more simple. No, the point is even more acute. The point is even more acute. I'll give you an example. I'd like Rahul Narvekar to also come into the debate. 1 second, please. I'd like Rahul Narvekar to come into the debate. By this logic, Swapnil, 1 minute. By this logic, we should not have been allowed to cover the Peter Mukherjee case and the Sheena Bora case, because the same Mumbai police, the same MN Singh, the same people were supporting the Mumbai police in that case. And viewers, we are so embarrassed of how the Mumbai police tried to cover up the Sheena Bora case as well. So we were the voice for justice in that case. So tell me, viewers, if we were gagged in that case would have been covered up. Why should we be gagged? We will not be gagged, because Rahul, these are vested interests that are trying to block the media, and thereby they are trying to block the public. They are trying to block the media, and thereby I accuse them of trying to block the public. These people want to set a precedent in our free country, that this country will no longer be free, that a man can be killed, and those who are raising questions will be punished. Well, then we refuse to be punished.
Yes.
We refuse to be punished, Shilpi. What's going on here? Yes, please, Rahul Narvekar.
Arnab, there is no doubt in my mind or in the minds of any of the citizens of this country that the vibrant media in this country is truly the fourth pillar of our democracy. And having said that, let me tell you, it is thanks to this vibrant media that most of the cases related to whether it's related to corruption or heinous criminal offenses have been brought to light and have been pursued and been taken to its logical conclusion only and only because of the efforts taken by the vibrant media. And even in the current case, it was the media that was leading the investigation, and the investigating authorities were following the clues which were being given by the media. So if at all, the investigating agencies should be thankful to the media rather than complaining about them. Now these gentlemen who have filed a proceeding in the courts asking for a gag order on the media from not covering this particular case, I don't understand whether they filed this case or they filed this petition as individuals, as citizens of this country, or with the intention.
They have filed it, obviously. I don't know who are these people.
To delivery of justice or amplifying.
Of course, we'll leave it to the courts, but we will do our job. But we will do our job, Shilpi. We will do our job. We cannot let a wrong precedent be set in this country. No. We cannot let a wrong precedent be set in this country. Is there an attempt to create a precedent in our country that a free press cannot function when elite and vested interests embolden the prime accused and try to block a campaign that says justice for SSR? What are you talking about? This is the biggest. I mean, I'm sorry. What's going on? Is this a democratic India where a free press is ingrained in Article 19, 1A of the Constitution? Vested interests cannot be allowed to interpret it in a way to squander our right.
Reading into the petition something which is not there.
When laws start getting discussed,
nobody's asking you to squander your.
I am telling you very right. I am telling you, you cannot create an emergency era in this country anymore. The people of this country, viewers, please raise your voice. Can't gag SSR coverage. I'm not talking about any court case. I'm not talking about any petition. I'm talking rightfully, viewers, we need your support. Viewers, vested interests will come at us. We need your support. Pradeep Bhandari, you're on the ground. Avishkar Singh, we come into the debate out here. Samir Singh, come into the debate. The role of the media, the fourth pillar of democracy cannot be blocked. We have done the right thing in this case. I want to place this in the court of public opinion, viewers. If there are people who are complaining against us saying, why did you question the Mumbai police? I want to ask you what percentage of people in this country is with Republic and how many are with Mumbai police? Let's have a poll right now. You want to say that because we criticize the Mumbai police, or damn well that we did, and damn good that we have. I'm proud of the fact that we criticize the Mumbai police. I'm proud of it. I will do it again and again and again if they dare to conceal the truth that they have in the manner they have in this case.
Arnab, how come nobody is questioning the Bihar police?
Arnab, I can speak.
Arrest us if you want.
Shilpi, can I please make my point? I've been hearing you from a...
Pradeep Bhandari is on. Viewers, the petition is live on republicworld.com. Don't allow India's biggest public movement to be gagged, viewers. Don't allow it. Pradeep Bhandari.
Shilpi, can I make my point for 30 seconds? I've been hearing you patiently. I can speak from my experience on the ground.
Avishkar is also on. Avishkar and Pradeep Bhandari. Avishkar just come in after. Avishkar just come in after Pradeep. Please, thank you. Avishkar and Shilpi. Calm down, everyone.
I request you, Shilpi, 30 seconds. Arnab, the Constitution starts with we the people of India. You are doing your constitutional duty, and the Justice for SSR campaign which you are spearheading is the voice of the people of this country. Every now and then you are just reporting facts. But Arnab, after Bunty Sachdeva's name has come in, there is an orchestrated campaign in order to confuse and divert from truth. This is why you see the entire PR campaign, because Bunty is connected to the who's who of Bollywood and the who's who of the political world. And this is the fear that if Republic continues, the big names will come out. This is why these people are defending it. It's nothing but Ria PR gang, and the inflection point is Bunty Sachdeva's questioning to CBI which happened. And I can tell you, every time when I'm reporting on the ground, people come from 40 kilometers, 50 kilometers just to say that thank you Republic, thank you guys, you're standing for justice. And in this country, people who stood for justice have always won, whatever be the state power, because we are not an emergency state.
And I also want to ask you here, question comes, Avishkar wants to respond. Avishkar, if the media is gagged in the SSR case, what does it mean for media-led public movements that ensured the Jessica Lal murder case, Rocky Yadav case and many others reached the logical conclusion? Yes, Avishkar.
The media is doing a fearless task in going and fighting against these all forces for the last, you know how long. But that's not the point here. The question is the eternal conundrum between free speech and due process. And you cannot solve that by a binary answer with reference to just one case. It has to be solved on principle. And on principle, it is a very, very complex task to balance these the order of the Bombay High Court that you're referring to is...
I have not referred to any Bombay High Court verdict. You're referring to it. I don't even know of any Bombay High Court verdict. It has not been brought to my attention. So you are putting it in a context that does not apply to the context of this debate. I'm asking you this. No, Avishkar, listen. Avishkar, counter to you. Avishkar, counter to you. Please hear me. Avishkar, counter to you from me. Please counter. Take my counter, Avishkar. If you want to debate, take my counter. My question to you is this. Please listen. Justice must not just be done. It must be seen to be done. That is not possible if there is any kind of gagging of the media in this case. In fact, If this matter goes to the courts, their lordships must appreciate the role of the media in being the voice of the people of this country. That is necessary. And their lordships, if this is the case, must also ask, one second, their lordships can also ask out here, why is it that the Maharashtra Home Minister, who was trying to gag the media in this case, is praising the policemen who are going to the courts? Are the policemen going to the courts independently or on behalf of the Maharashtra Home Minister?
May I respond? May I respond?
The Maharashtra Home Minister has welcomed the police to gag the media, and Anil Deshmukh, you will lose and we will win.
Those are a lot of points. Let me respond for 1 minute. Please let me respond for 1 minute. It's very crucial that I respond, because firstly, it is an issue. You are referring to a particular investigation that is ongoing before the CBI right now.
Of course, I'm going to make a reference to that investigation. That's the context of the case.
It's not a gag. It's not a gag order.
There cannot be a gag order. I'm telling you, the truth is unstoppable. I come from a premise. I'm shocked that this matter is even being discussed in the High Courts. I was not aware of it. I was not aware of it. How can the High Courts even discuss a matter such as this, where actually all that should be done is a huge round of applause for the work of the media in this case? Listen, I'll tell you one thing, Avishkar. I place circumstantial evidence before you. You're the lawyer. You're the lawyer. 1 minute, please. I place circumstantial evidence before you. I place circumstantial evidence before you. 1 minute. Let me place the lawyer. Samir and Avishkar, listen to me. Two young lawyers here. Both of you listen to me. Listen, Samir, listen. On 9th of August, Sharad, on 9th of August, I present proof. If this matter goes to court, then this proof must also be examined. On the 9th of August, by their own admission, if this matter goes to court, I don't know. I didn't know it's being heard in court. I don't know that the courts are trying to make an attempt to discuss a case in which it appears to me from what you tell me, it appears to me from what you tell me that there are people who want to gag the media. I can't believe it. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. I'm personally shocked. But no, 1 minute, MR. I don't know. I'm shocked. Viewers, did you know? I didn't know. Now you're telling me police officers, this going to case. I heard about something about police officers, but I cannot believe that at a time when the media is being praised in this country, that there will be motivated people who will try to gag us. I can't believe it. Is it true, Swapnil? I don't know. If it is true, I'm shocked. People of the country will be shocked, Rizwan. We'd all be absolutely stunned that something like this is happening in this country. But regardless,
trust me, nobody
but regardless,
gag you.
Yes,
nobody wants to gag the media.
No, they can't. Not that they will. They cannot. They cannot. They cannot gag the media unless they want to kill democracy. Rizwan and Emma.
And that is what is worrying. The issue is not that they have been successful.
I don't know about any such case.
I
have the highest respect for the courts.
Sorry, state
No, MR, you know me. MR, you know me.
Yes.
I have the highest regard for the courts. I don't know that if these people, what they are saying is true, that there is an attempt in some high court to put restrictions on the media. I am absolute in my belief that no court in this country will gag the media. Absolutely. Especially in a case as Swapnil, where we have done remarkable work in public service. And if a motivated group of people who are trying to cover up the Mumbai police go to the courts, I'm sure the courts in their wisdom will reject it. My question here is, I want to place one thing. One thing. MR, one thing. MR, 1 minute, please. MR, 1 minute.
But we have to discuss the media also.
And I take 30 seconds.
I don't know.
I take 30 seconds from you. Now listen. Arnab, I now speak as a viewer of Republic TV, and I tell you very honestly that but for the relentless campaign done by the Republic TV, this case I thought in distant Chennai was a case of suicide, and that was done, buried and dusted. But for your relentless campaign, this case was literally exhumed and it was brought to the national limelight. It is what persuaded even the highest court of this country. It also added value and traction. It meant that the focus of the public, the hydraulic pressure of ordinary public transformed. And that is how the case is today being investigated, not by one, not by two, but 3 investigating agencies in 3 different angles.
And the only question I will ask is, counter question I will ask here is, and I'd like Samir and Rahul Narvekar to come in. I'd like Rahul Narvekar to come in because he is not coming so far. Rahul Narvekar is on the debate. Rahul Narvekar versus Samir Singh, please. Thank you.
We are discussing about a possibility of a court
probably granting any kind of gag order, which I don't think the courts would do in this case.
Absolutely, they won't.
However,
they can't.
Let me tell you that it is not just the courts. It is this government which is trying through their actions to influence an independent media, to pressurize them. I would like to highlight the courage and the resolve that Arnab Goswami and Republic has. They tried to open up closed cases against Arnab Goswami. They tried to open up investigations which were completed only because Republic did not agree to play their narrative. And therefore, it is not just legal means, but also illegal means which this government is resorting to put pressure on vibrant media. And therefore, you don't need to worry. The media of this country doesn't need to worry. The citizens of this country are with the media because the media has time and again stood for the citizens of...
Yes. I lost your... Rahul, thank you.
And it's across party lines.
Rahul, thank you. I am a little taken aback, if I may say so. I am a little taken aback, if I may say so, to be told by all of you that there is an attempt to try and get the courts to gag the media. I think if these people be so bold to go to the courts to gag the media, they will get a rap on their knuckles from the courts, because the courts have always stood for a free press. And the courts should also, in their wisdom, allow me to complete a word from Samir Singh. Please, Samir, I would then, if that were the case, then the courts should also know that on 9th of August, the Shiv Sena admitted that Sharad Pawar called Uddhav Thackeray, Samir, and it was printed in Samna that Sharad Pawar called Uddhav Thackeray to say, how do we stop the Republic Media Network from reporting the case? So I am only placing it out here, and they published it.
Firstly, Arnab, thank you.
Samir.
Arnab, I would like to congratulate on Republic's relentless pursuit of truth to begin with. Secondly, let me clarify that there is absolutely no gag order against any of the media houses, including Republic TV or any other channel for that matter.
Okay, I don't know about it.
What is to be seen is that gag and refrain are two different arguments. Absolutely, there is absolutely no gag order as on the date against any of the media houses. Bombay High Court has merely expressed a restraint, which essentially means that reporting should be responsible. It should not interfere with investigation, should not sully the character of the victim, which has unfortunately been done, and at the same time,
I don't think so.
No,
nobody sullied the character of the victim.
I'm sorry, there is
the actions of the victim have been questioned. Character is a very strong word which is misused by people in cases like this. The actions of the accused have been questioned. I'm sorry.
Please do not expect
Ria is not a victim.
There is no character assassination here.
Sushant is the victim.
It is very, very clear. Not on Republic, Arnab.
There is no character assassination by Republic
TV. Not on Republic, but there are other channels which have aired.
Of the passing observations.
I have not said Republic TV, please do not put words into my mouth. I have not said Republic TV, do not put words into my mouth.
No, he's not saying Republic, he's referring to something else.
The mere fact that interview was aired of the accused who called the deceased a drug peddler and whatnot, sullied the character of the victim, that should not have been done.
Right,
I have not taken the name of Republic TV.
That is called character assassination.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Viewers, I'm running short of time.
Yes, that is
I
what
just
I'm
want to clarify.
I'm not accusing Republic. I am saying that.
No, I just want to clarify.
I can tell you, Arnab, as a viewer, I can assure you, the viewers are strongly with you. Carry on your relentless campaign. The nation is behind you. And we are solidly behind you. So
I am sure the courts will be behind me as well. I am taken aback. I did not know that there is any such court action which is happening. I was told that people will try through other ways. I must confess, this is a surprise to me that people have had the temerity to go to court to complain about the media when the entire country is supporting and backing the media. But I have full belief in the courts. And the courts would always know what bell hooks, a black American feminist had said. People must know before they act decisively in a democracy. And the truth is brought to them by the media. That gagging the media means gagging the people, and that means gagging democracy itself. The media is an instrument, it was said, of change and not to maintain the status quo. We are here to awaken the people against forces of dark oppressors and national enemies, and we shall continue to do it. Viewers, the petition is live on republicworld.com. Thank you for your stupendous support. Debate number 2 is coming up in a few minutes.